Watch how I turn just $50 into $71 in under 5 minutes. I'm about to show you a crypto arbitrage test I tried with BTR, step by step. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only, and it is not financial advice. Crypto involves risk, and you could lose money. Always do your own research. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through a simple crypto arbitrage setup using BTR. If you don't know what crypto arbitrage is, it's actually very simple. You compare the price of a token in two different places. If the token is cheaper in one place and more expensive somewhere else, that price difference is called the spread. If fees and market movement do not remove the spread, there may be a possible arbitrage opportunity. For today's test, you only need two things: a Binance account and a Trust Wallet. If you don't have Trust Wallet yet, go download it from the App Store or Google Play. It only takes a few minutes to set up. Alright, as you can see on my screen, I'm inside my Trust Wallet. Right now, I've got $50 in USDT and a little bit of BNB. The USDT is what we'll use for this test, and the BNB is just there to cover the network gas fees. Make sure your USDT is on the BEP20 network, also known as Binance Smart Chain. Now let's jump over to Binance. The token we're checking today is called BTR. Let's go to the search bar, type in BTR, and look at the current BTR to USDT price. Right now, the price is around 0.02122751 USDT. Keep an eye on that number because this is the price we're going to compare against. Now here's the key. For this demo, we're comparing Binance with the verified BTR website, showing a lower price. Let's head over to buybtr.shop. We're on the page now, and look at that price difference. Binance was showing around 0.02122751 USDT, but here, the BTR price is showing around 0.014903 USDT. This is where the possible price gap appears. You can buy using different payment methods here, including BNB BEP20, BTC USDC BEP20, and USDT BEP20. Since we already loaded Trust Wallet with USDT, we'll select USDT BEP20. Now enter the amount. For this test, I'm starting with $50 because the site shows a $50 minimum. Before confirming anything, always review every detail carefully: the amount, the token, the network, and the fee. The site redirects back to Trust Wallet, so check everything again before tapping Confirm. If everything looks correct, hit Next, hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. While that processes, make sure the BTR token is visible inside your Trust Wallet, so you can see it when it arrives, and there it is. The BTR just arrived in the wallet. Now let's check the numbers. We started with $50 in USDT, and the wallet is now showing around $71 worth of BTR. That shows a possible $21 spread from this test. But remember, this is not locked in yet. It only becomes real once we successfully swap the BTR back into USDT inside Trust Wallet. So now we need to bring it home. We're going to use the swap feature inside Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet, select BTR, tap swap, and choose USDT as the token we want to receive. Before confirming, always check the swap quote, gas fee, price impact, and minimum amount you will receive. Once everything looks correct, tap Confirm and wait for the swap to process. Perfect. The swap is complete. We are back in USDT, and after this test cycle, the balance is about $21 higher. That is the basic idea behind crypto arbitrage. Compare the price, test with a small amount, check the fees, confirm liquidity, and move carefully. From here, before repeating anything, I would check everything again. The Binance price, the website price, the Trust Wallet swap quote, the network fees, and whether the price gap is still available. If you guys found value in this video and want more crypto arbitrage examples like this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you've spotted any other tokens with price gaps today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.